Hi, today I'm for the NOKIA 515 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the menu, then scroll down with the volume down, with the down, right, left, or up buttons to the settings. Select the settings and scroll to tones. Select the tones. Here we could switch incoming alerts to ringing, ascending, to ring once, beep once to turn it off. We could change also here the phone ringtone from the digital to tone the loud to open the files. Also we could change the ring volume just by slide to the left or to the right side, just by press left or right buttons. Select maximum yes, to use the vibrating alert to turn it on and turn it off, to switch the messages alert tone to turn off or turn on the keypad tones, and to end of list tone, so other tones to turn them on or turn them off, up tones, alert for all calls. For example, you could unmark it just, and that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Nokia phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.